Hello Flux. Today we're gonna implement the Java connector jdbc with MySQL or some database with your Eclipse ID. Let me show you what I have already set up with the Eclipse, how it's set up. Let's run a hello world program from here. Let me run it. Let me run it. Yeah, it's run perfectly. Let me show you my project setup. I have GID system library 13, JDK 13. Alright, this is my setup. So this is the main thing. JDK 13. Alright. Cancel. Okay. This is the setup for this project, Java MySQL. For this project, this was the setup actually. Right now, we're going to test a database. So let me create one. Let me show you my database right now. Right now, I have this database W2, in which I have one table. It's called EMP. Let me show you inside the table. There's a two options. One is name and one is age. Name varchar, age int. Okay, that's it. I'm managing this database with some kind of software. So this is the setup. All right. So let's start. How could we extend it to manage a jdbc connector? Okay, let's begin with downloading the connector, jdbc connector for your MySQL. For your Java, you know my Java version is 1.3, so click here, dev.mysql.com, download connector /j/5.1 HTML. So it asks you for platform independent. All right, so right for me, and platform independent, architecture independent, zip. So you need to download this one, MySQL connector zip file. It's downloading. So it's already downloaded, and I unzipped it with, and I found these files inside there. Okay, so I'm going to put this folder to some location of my PC, and I will show the path or connect it to my project. This is our next goal. This step is very much important. Let's open your Eclipse. This is my project. You can see Java MySQL. Inside my project, you need to create a folder called library 1 or library 2 or what else. Lib. I already create one folder, so don't worry about it. So right click on this folder. Before right click, you need to paste it there. So you can simply drag and drop the connector. This jar file, you just drag it here to inside the lib, then it will be copied. So you already have this file inside your lib folder. By the way, just ignore this file which suffix is bin, and then go to your lib directory, right click on it, and build path, not this one maybe. Yeah, okay, no problem. No, don't mind. You can use from here, or you can click here, right click here, go to build path, configuration, build paths, all are same. So build path, you need to click here in this library tab, then module path, then add jars. Actually you need to point out your jar file. Jar means it's a library, some kind of, it's a library made by MySQL to help us. So you need to point this out. Okay, then hit apply and apply and close. Alright, this is the crucial part you have to care about, and sometimes it may not working because of the library, you know. This is a 5.1.49. Maybe it is not compatible with the Java version, JDK version you're using, so you have to match these two things, the JDK version and the library. Okay, this is the things you need to check from your end, either it will not work. So we already do the registration things, jdbc or linking stuff. So now check our connection, time to check our connect. So this is the first step. Step 1, you need to import this java.sql. So make sure that the path is alright, make it run. So hello world jdbc connection, so there is no error. And the second thing is, it's optional maybe, you need to step 2, you need to variabilize the things you have. Like here I am trying to show you some interesting things. That is jdbc MySQL. You have to write as it is, exactly what is mentioned here. Localhost, because MySQL is in your local, and the port is using right now is this one. This is the port 3306 is a default port. However, then your time to implement your password and other stuff, username and password steady, and user value modifier. String. You need to put those things before the main. You need to declare those things actually. And you have to mention one connection is null, and this one is null. System of println. Username and the pass. You need to pass this 3 parameter with it. Static, change it to static. Yeah, we need to change it because we're using this variable inside a static method. That's why we need to declare it as a static. And we need to do this operation inside a try catch block apparently, so use this one. Try catch block is welcome. we'll put this line here, and if there is any kind of error, then it will write some message here so that we could understood clearly. User will only connected. Error connection, right? So let's run it. Connected with MySQL successfully. So we already got connection successful, and there is no error because this line is not appear. However, comment out this line or just delete this line. Connected with MySQL successfully. Connected successfully. So our next step is execute one single query for testing purpose. Now the step 3 is we already checked it out, connected with MySQL successfully, no problem. Next we would like to make a select statement, select name and age from EMP table inside the database, which we called W2. Then it will get the result, execute the query, get the result. The result set is a class name. It's come from Java SQL.result set, similar to this connection and this one. This 3 class is very useful when you make JDBC operation. And then fetching the result. Inside this there is a sets of results, so you have to run a loop, while loop, and when there is a set, then it will run. When there is a set, it will run. That this is means this rs.next. If rs.next has value, then it will run. So it's very simple one. I think you will not get lost. So let's run it. It showed me error, no database selected. Let us check what is the error. Actually, no database selected. Actually, we did not mention our database name. We mentioned our table name, but did not mention our database name. There is a password, user and password also on database name. We need to put our database name here with backslash, and then so this is our database name, W2. Let's run again. So connected with MySQL database successfully. Alright, and then it is printing our result. First is a throw, second is a throw, blah blah things. Name 66, name is 66. I put however. So this is how you can connect MySQL database with JDBC connector, and if you can comment, no problem. Let's make some communication. Thank you. Thanks for here. All the best.